Good afternoon, students. Now, paper number 29, RRB Clerk Prelim, question numbers 1 to 4. First are the second priority. And first priority, what is the question about? 8 persons seated around a circular table, and all the persons are facing center or away from the center. All the persons are facing towards the center and definitely under the first priority. Then coming to this one, 8 people are there. Now these 8 people are seated around a circular table and these 8 persons are facing towards the center. Then coming to condition number 1, then B sits out to the right of F. My NGL first one. Now first we need to start with the first information, and as the persons are facing towards the center, right means anti-clockwise, left is clockwise. Now B sits out to the right of H. H is seated second to the right of D, and H is seated second to the right, and there are only 2 people between C and E. Now in between C and E, how many people? 2 people. Neither B nor F seated adjacent to E. Neither B or F is adjacent to E. Hence, B or F adjacent to E. E cannot be here, cannot be here, cannot be here, cannot be here. And how many possibilities are there for this seat? 2 possibilities. And what are those 2 possibilities? Then second to the left of F or second or third to the left of F, isn't it? How many possibilities we have? 2 possibilities. E can be here or E can be here. This is the second possibility. Then between C and E, how many people? There must be exactly 2 people. Then E can be here. And C and E. No, C and E, there are exactly 2 people. Then as E is here, then C must be at this place. Done? And C and E, there are 2 people. And H is seated second to the right of D. H is seated second to the right of D. How many possibilities? H and D can be like this, or H and D can be like this. 2 more possibilities. And H is seated second to the right of D. And D is not opposite to E and B. D is not opposite to E and B. D cannot be here, and D cannot be here as well. As these are the 2 possibilities, then what is the only possibility left for this D and D? Can we have D at this place? My D H is seated second to the right of D. H and E must be in the same place. Is it possible? No, hence D cannot be here. As D cannot be here, what is the only possibility for this D? D is here. Now D is here, H is seated second to the right of D, H is here. The next one, G sits second to the right of A. As G is seated second to the right of A, then what is the only possibility we have? G is here. Now seated second to the right of A. A is not an immediate neighbor of H. This is a valid arrangement. Then what are the assumption we have taken? E at this place, it is valid. Now if it is invalid, appudu E ekkadi nunchi start chestamandi. Then now this is about set number 1, question numbers 1 to 4. Then coming to question number 5. Now in the 5th one, the relation between E and K. Now K is here, E is here, between K and A. K and E emaipindi opposite symbol. Opposite symbol, no relation. And the relation between L and F, again opposite symbol, no relation. And at the same time, hence neither one nor 2 choice for. And E and L, if you observe here, E and F is not equal, and E and L is also not equal. My either equal either are. Then coming to question number 6. Now in this question number 6, my 6th one answer Japan. S equals to O. O is here, S is here, between O and S. S and O, tell me what is the symbol that is common? Greater than or equal. S is either greater or equals to O. S equals to O, hence S and O are O and R. R and S are one and the same. Hence in the place of R we can take it as S. Hence S equals to O. R, O lesser than S is nothing but S greater than O. Then what is your answer? Either 1 or 2. Either 1 or 2, that is choice 3, question number 6. Then coming to question number 7. Now in the 7th one, the relation between Q and D. Q is here, D is here, remove this symbol equal to Q greater than D, D lesser than Q. Then C and U, remove this one, C lesser than U. Hence what is your answer? Both 1 and 2, choice 5, question number 7. Then 8th one, now in the given number, what is the number we have? 7856 4, 7856 3 4. Now 671 is the number. Now here all the even digits are subtracted by 2. Now how much to be subtracted from each of this one? 2. Now 6, this is 4, this is 2, this is 4. And 1, and all the odd digits are added by 1. Now this is 8, 6, 4, 8, 2. then from left to right, then are arranged in ascending order. After that, the numbers are arranged in ascending order from left to right. Which of the following is fourth from the right? Now, fourth from the right is nothing but the highest digit. Now, 8, 8. Next one is 6 and 6. Now, 6 is your answer. Choice 1, question number 8. Then next one, question number 9 onwards. Now, in this 9th one, there are some 8 persons. Now, 8 different cities, born in 8 different cities on different months. They were born in 4 different months and on 2 different dates. Now, 4 different months, 2 different dates, 8 persons, and a parameter is also clearly given. What is that parameter here? You need to find out who was born in which city. My regular a person is there. And the place of person is given a city. Clear? Hence only one parameter. First or the second priority. And first priority, what are the months we have? The months are March, June, September, and December. March. And what are the dates in March? March 3rd and 18, March. Next one, June. Now, June 3rd and 18, March, June. Next one, September 3rd and 18. And what is the next one? And September and December. Now, December 3rd and 18. Clear? Now, these are the 8 dates we have, and 8 persons, and 8 different cities. And out of these 4 months, 2 months each have 31 days, and these 2 months have only 30 days. Then coming to condition number 1 in this. First one, Japan. Now, the one who was born in Bangalore was born in the month having 31 days, but not odd number date. That means the one who was born in Bangalore was born in the month having 31 days. That means in the month of 31 days, which is on 18th. This is one possibility. What is the other possibility we have? And Bangalore can be on December 18th. The next one, 3 people between Bangalore and the one born in Mumbai. Now Mumbai must be here in the first case, and in the second case, 1, 2, 3. Now Mumbai must be on June 18th. And only 2 people between Chennai and Jaipur. Now between Chennai and Jaipur, how many people? There must be exactly 2 people. And the 2 people, and the one who was born in Pune was not born in December. Now Pune was not born in December. Now Pune cannot be here. And Pune is not born in the month of December. Pune cannot be here. The next one, and as many people were born before Mumbai, after Jaipur. Now Mumbai and Jaipur, there must be equal. After Mumbai there are 2, and before Jaipur there must be exactly 2. And between Mumbai and Jaipur, before Mumbai there are 3, and after Jaipur there must be exactly 3 people. Mumbai and Jaipur. And Chennai and Jaipur there must be exactly 1. And in this case, Chennai and Jaipur, is it possible? Now 2 persons between Chennai and Jaipur. Jaipur is here. Chennai and Mumbai must be in the same place. Not possible. Then Chennai and Jaipur, there must be exactly 2. Now this is Chennai. Now Chennai and Jaipur, there must be exactly 2 people. And as many people before Mumbai as after Jaipur. And 2 people, and the one who was born in Pune and Hyderabad immediate to each other. And Pune and Hyderabad are immediate to each other. The one who was born in Ahmedabad was born before the one Chennai. Now before Chennai, who is that born? Ahmedabad. And between these 2 persons, then Pune and the one who was born in Hyderabad are immediate to each other. Now Pune and Hyderabad are immediate to each other, and Pune cannot be at this place, hence Pune must be here. If Pune is here, Hyderabad is here. And Hyderabad is here, what else is left over? City? Kolkata. Kolkata is left over. Clear? Now this is from question numbers 9 to 12. Must have been the 9 to 12? Then 13 onwards. Now in this question number 13, now first or the second possibility. First priority, that is blood relations. Now question numbers 13 to 15. Now here in this one, 13 to 15, 7 members are there in a family. S is the son of Q. S is the son of whom? S is the son of Q. As S is the son of Q, Q is here. S is the son of Q, and Q is the father-in-law of U. Q is the father-in-law of U, and father-in-law Q is a male. That means U's spouse's father is Q. Whether U is married to S or the sibling of S. As of now, we cannot determine that one. And T is the sister-in-law of P. P is the mother of R. Now P is the mother of R, and T is the sister-in-law of P. And next one, there are only 2 couples in the family. And S is unmarried member. P and U are of the same gender. And next one, P has no siblings. Now P has no siblings and O is the grandson of P. Now O is the grandson of P, hence this person should get married because there are only two married couples here. And if this person is a male, this, and S is unmarried. Now S is unmarried member of the family, hence S is not married. Then the sibling of S should get married. Clear? Now why the sibling of S should get married? Because Q is the father-in-law of whom? Q is the father-in-law of U. That means U's spouse's father is Q. Clear? And how many married couples are there? There are two married couples. Then in this one, P is the mother of whom? And P is the mother of R. As P is the mother of R, this person U is a female. And where should this P? P must be here. Mother of R can be here or not? Now how many persons were done? 5 persons. P is the mother of R. There are only, and T is the sister-in-law of P. As T is the sister-in-law of whom? T is the sister-in-law of P. Can we have T here or not? T is the sister-in-law of P. And P is the mother of R. There are two married couples. S is unmarried. And P and U are of the same gender. P is a female, U is also female. And P has no siblings. The next one, P has no sibling. O is the grandson of P, and so must be a male. Must have been O is the grandson of P. Then according to this one, how is U related to O? And O's mother, that is choice 313. How many female members are there in the family? 1, 2, 3. 3, that is choice 215. And then odd one out, Q. Now what is the gender of this Q? Q is a male. And O is again a male. R is a male. S is a male. U is a female. Except Q, the remaining 4 are males and U is a female. Then coming to question number 16 onwards. 16 to 19. Now in this 16 to 19, now a certain number of persons facing seated in a row facing north. Then first or the second priority. Now 16 to 20. Now the numbers were given. Total number of persons could be from more than 15. And second priority as it is clerk prelims. As of now, we have already done the remaining questions as of now. Hence, keep this one under the second priority. Then coming to the first one. Now you need to work out this one under the second priority. Then only 5 people sit to the left of K. How many people are to the left of K? 5. That means K, how many persons are there to the left hand side of K? 4 people. And K is 5th to the left, and only 5 to the left of K. 5 to the left of K means K must be at the 6th place from the left hand. And T is third to the left of K, T is here. And only 3 persons between T and R, K and R must be adjacent to each other. Isn't it? The next one, as many people sit between T and R, B and R. Now T and R, B and R equal number of persons. R must be exactly between T and R as between B and R. Isn't it? Now T and R are how many? 3 people. B and R are how many? 3 people. And R must be exactly between and T and B. Clear? Now we have done with this information. And only 1 person between L and B. 1 person between L and B. Then L, 1 person between L and B, how many possibilities? 2 possibilities. L can be either to the left hand side or to the right hand side. Now if L is here, then Q sits 4th to the right of L. Q is 4th to the right of L. L is here. Q is 4th to the right of L. And at the same time, and S sits to the immediate right of B. S is to the immediate right of B. S must be here. And only 5 people in between S and B. Now in between S and B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand side is not possible, hence right hand side. How many people? 5 people. Now V must be here. And 5 people between S and V. And as many people between Q and V in between K and R. Now Q and V, K and R. K and R are adjacent and Q and V are adjacent. Hence Q can be either here or here. And Q and V. As many people between Q and V, K and R. And 3 people between K and H. Now in between K and H, how many people? 3 people. Now 3 people between K and H. 1, 2, 3, H can be here. Or 1, 2, 3, H can be here. 3 in between K and H. H does not sit immediate to B. Now H and B are not adjacent to each other. H is not immediate to B, hence H must be here. Then next one, only 5 people sit to the right of L. If L is here, 5 people to the right of L is not possible. Hence where should this L be? L must be here. If L is here, in between Q and V, K and R. K and R adjacent and Q and V is also adjacent. Now Q is here, then what about this L? Q is 4 through the right of L. That means Q cannot be here, Q must be here. Then, and this is the final arrangement we have. Many other information we have. Then, now R cannot be here, Q cannot be here, and so Q must be here. Then any other information, as many people between Q and V as between K and R. And only 5 people sit to the right of L. Only 5 to the right of L. Now V is at the right extreme end. V is at the right extreme. Now this is about question number 16 to 19. Then 20 onwards. Now question number 20, first or the second priority. 20, 21, 22, 3 questions under this one, definitely first priority. Now here comparisons. Now how many persons are there? 7 persons. Now they are comparing in their heights. Now 7 persons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They are comparing their heights and only 2 people are shorter than H. Now only 2 shorter than H, H is here 2. L is shorter than G but not to H. L is shorter than G but not to H means L is not shorter than G, L must be taller than H. Now GLH. Now L is shorter than G but not to H means but L is not shorter than H. L must be taller than H. And F is taller than M. F and M. M is shorter than whom? M is shorter than H. M is shorter than H. And K is taller than G. Now K is taller than G. Then F is taller than H. F is taller than H but not to L. F is taller than H but not to L in between these two. Hence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 persons were done. Hence what is the order we have? K. Next one is G. L. Next to L is what? F. And next to F is H. And H is already there. And next one M. M. Then M is not the shortest. S. M is not the shortest. M is here. If M is here, who is the other person left over? Now J. Now J is at this place. Now J no? Yes, J. I is not there. Then who among the following is the second tallest? Second tallest, that is G. Choice 3, question number 20. 21. And how many are taller than F? There are 3 choice 2. 22, odd one out. Now in this odd one out, K and L. 1 person between these two. G and F, 1 person. H and J, 1 person. F and L, adjacent to each other. L and H, 1 person. Then what is your answer? Choice for 22. Then next one, 23 onwards. Now in this 23 to 26. Now 23 to 26. Now here in this 23 to 26, what is the information we have? Now 7 people and lives on 7 different floors of a building. 7 persons living on 7 different floors of a building. And now first or the second priority? First priority, no parameter added, first priority. Now 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now these are the 7 persons who are staying on these 7 different floors of a building. Then ground floor is number 1, the floor above that is number 1 is 2 and so on. Till the topmost floor is floor number 7. Then coming to condition number 1. Now first condition Japan and 1 above that is and so on. Only 1 person lives on each floor. Then only 2 people live between F and G. In between F and G, how many? There are exactly 2 people. And only 3 people between G and C. G and C, there are exactly 3 people. And only 2 people live between C and D. C and D, exactly 2 people. And only 2 persons between D and E. D and E, exactly 2 people. And only 3 people between E and E. E and E, exactly 3 people. B lives below whom? B lives below D. And F lives on an even number floor. Now F lives on an even number floor. Now we need to start from where? Now we need to start with F. Then where can you have this F? F lives on an even number floor. How many possibilities? Now 3 possibilities to this F. F lives on an even number floor. My Japan. F lives on an even number floor. Then F and G, how many people? There are exactly 2 people. Now F and G, 2 people. Now here F and G, there are exactly 2 people. G can be here, G can be here. Now here F and G, there are exactly 2 people. Now G and C, there are exactly 3 people. C is here. Now G and C, 1, 2, 3, C can be here or C can be here. There are 2 different possibilities, G and C. And again, C and F and G, there are how many 2 people? 2 people. G and C, there are 3 people. And next one, C and D, there are 2 people. Now here again, C and D, there are 2 people. And next one, D and E, there are 2 people. E is here. Now D and E, there must be exactly 2 people. E is here. And D and E. D is above this B. D is above this what? D is above this B. B is here. Now D is above this B. B is here. And any other information between E and A. E and A, there are exactly 3 people. A is here. Now E and A, 3 people, not possible. This is the final arrangement. Clear? Now out of the 4 possibilities, చూడండి ఒక్కసారి మధ్యలో ఏం చేసి initially we have done 3 possibilities. Next with the help of G we have got another possibility 4. Then afterwards, after writing down the G at these 2 places, what we have done? ఏం చేసాం? Now we have left this side and we have worked out this. Why? Because the position of G is fixed there. If these 2 are inverted, then you need to take 2 different possibilities in this. Clear? మా జనరల్గా మీకు ఈ రెండిట్లో ఏదో ఒకటి డెఫినెట్గా అవుతుంది. Then in all the days, every day we are proving the same thing, isn't it? Hence, what is your answer here? Now this is the final arrangement we have for 23 to 26. Then the next one 27 onwards. 27 to 30 first or the second priority. 27 to 29 first priority. Must start on 27. Now in this question number 27, a person walks 5 meters east direction to reach L. Now this is the starting point of a person from here, and he walks how many meters? 5 meters to reach point L. From L he takes right turn and walks 4 meters to reach Q. From here 4 meters right to reach point Q, and he walks 5 meters from point Q east to reach V. From here 5 meters east to reach point V. From V he takes right turn and walks 2 meters to reach P. From here 2 meters to reach point P. From P he takes left turn and walks 3 meters, and from here 3 meters left hand side reaches to point N. From N he takes left turn and walks 4 meters to reach A. From here 4 meters means this is 2, and another 2 is there 2 and 4, and point N. From N takes left turn and walks 4 meters to reach point A and stops at this place. Now this is the final arrangement we have. And according to this one, tell me what is your answer? What is the shortest distance between A and B? A is here, P is here. Now this is A, and where is P? P is here. Now let us take initial point is X. Then the distance between A and P 4 and 3, and 4 and 3 is nothing but 5, choice 5. Then 27. N is in which direction and how much distance from point L? N, which direction and how much distance? In order to reach to N from L, and first we need to move towards south. 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 3, 8. And 6 square plus 8 square, how much? 10. 10 towards which direction? Southeast. Southeast 10, choice 2, question number 28. Then 29, and final position from the starting point. Final point is in which direction from starting point? And which is the final point? Which is the final point? A. A is the final point, and X is the starting point to reach A. From X, first to south and east to southeast. Now southeast, choice 2, question number 29. Then 30th. Now in this question number 30, word formation. Now here which word can be found with? And 1, 2, 6, 7. Whatever letters we have 1, 2, and 6, 7. Now with the help of this, what are the words that can be formed? Care. Next, race. Care, race, minimum 2 words can be formed. Isn't it? Acre, Asher are the words that can be formed. More than one such word, U is the answer, choice 4. 30th. Then 31 onwards, first or the second? And definitely first priority, syllogisms, how many questions? Exactly 3 questions. Now 3 questions from this one. All women are what? All women are beautiful. All women are beautiful, and at the same time, some beautiful are what? Some beautiful are smart as well. And only a few smart are men. Only a few smart are what? Men. Only a few smart are men. Clear? True or false? No, false. I don't know. Only a few smarter men అంటే false అంటావేంటి? All smarter men అని మాట్లాడాలి, లేదా all men are smart అని మాట్లాడాలి. అవునా కదా? నువ్వే false అంటే ఎలా చెప్పు? Clear? Now here in this one only some smarter men but not all. Then coming to the first one, some difficulty is not. మా difficulty ఎక్కడ వచ్చింది? All men are difficult. All men are difficult. Is true or false? All men are difficult. Then coming back to this one, some difficulty is not smart. Some difficulty is not smart. True or false in them? Some difficulty are not smart from here onwards. Now this is the difficulty which is not smart. Some difficulty are not smart. True or false? True. Some difficulty are not smart, that is true. And some women are smart is a possibility. Some women are smart. Possible, or it is always true? Is it always true? No. Now here no intersection between women and smart. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నారు, some women are smart is a possible. Sometimes it can be true, isn't it? That is the reason we have extended this one to this one. Clear? Some women are smart is possible or not possible? Yes, according to this question it is possible. Clear? According to this question it is possible. Now in general it is possible or not, I am not sure about that. Then coming to the first one. What is the first one we have? Some difficulty is not smart. To make this one false. In generally, all difficulty are smart. This entire difficulty must be a part of smart. Is it possible? అవుతుందా? ఎలా అవుతుంది? All difficulty are smart అంటే difficulty ఇక్కడ. Can you write difficulty like this? Now if you write difficulty like this, then entire men will also come into this smart. Can that happen? Yes, all men are smart. True or false? Yes, definitely. Then what is your answer here? All men, all difficulty is smart is true. Hence, what happened to this one? This conclusion, some difficulty is not smart, will be false. Then finally, what is your answer? Only two follows. Clear? Only two, that is choice for 31. Then coming back to 32. Now in this 32, some pens are caps. Now some of the pens are caps. This is a pen and this is cap. Now pen and a cap. Some pen are cap and only a few cups are bottle. No bottle is bag. And only a few bags are pencils. మా ఎక్కడ లింక్ లేదు కదా. అండ్ క్యాప్ ఓన్లీ a few cups are bottles. Only a few cups are bottles. Only some of the cups are bottles but not all. మా ఇది కప్పో క్యాపో మనకు తెలియదు ఇంకా. క్లియర్? జనరల్గా మనం కప్పు ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి సెపరేట్గా రాసుకోండి మనకి. క్లియర్? టైపింగ్ ఎర్రర్ ఉందో లేదో మనకు తెలియదు. అండ్ సమ్ కప్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ బాటిల్స్ అండ్ నో బాటిల్ ఈస్ అ బ్యాగ్. నో ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ బిట్వీన్ బాటిల్ అండ్ అ బ్యాగ్. And at the same time, only a few bags are pencils. Only some of the bags are pencils but not all. Only some bags are pencils but not all. Ma saripinda ledu? Then coming to the first one. And some caps are not pencils. Some caps are not pencil. Cap is here, pencil is here as of now. Some caps are not pencil is true. To make this one false, I can able to prove all caps are pencil. Askoch kada. And alternate diagram true, previous conclusion has become false. The next one, some pens are bottle. Now pen is here, bottle is here, now also it is false. Then what is your answer? Neither one not. Tell me what is the choice given to this one 32? My which choice low? Choice 3. Neither one not. That means this is cap and this is cup. అలా సెపరేట్గా తీసుకోండి. ఇన్ కేస్ ఎగ్జామ్లు వచ్చినా మీరు ఇక్కడ కరెక్షన్ చేయకూడదు. ఇక్కడ సార్ ఇక్కడ క్యాప్ ఉండేవాళ్ళు కదా, మనకు అనవసరం. వాడు ఏది ఇస్తే తీసుకో. Then coming to 33. Then coming back to this 33, some roses are tulips. Now these are the roses that are tulip, rose and a tulip. And all tulips are orchid. This entire tulip is a part of what? Orchid. And some orchid are lotus, orchid and a lotus. And all these lotus are what? All lotus are jasmine. Then coming to the first one. All jasmine can be roses. All jasmine can be roses. True or false? All jasmine can be roses. Mera raskoch kada. Yes, all jasmine can be roses. And at the same time, if you observe here, all the statements are what? All the statements are affirmative. Any affirmative conclusion is possible in this. Any possibility will always be true. With the help of universal diagram. Then second, some tulips are rose. Now tulip and rose, there is an intersection between these two, both 1 and 2. That is definitely to choice 3, 33. The next one, 34 onwards. Now in this 34, and how many boxes are there? There are some 8 boxes. 8 boxes and kept one above the other, and first or the second, and first possibility only 2 in between W and R. In between W and R, how many? 2. And P is kept immediately below V. V and P. P is kept immediately below V. And V is kept below R and above U. V is kept below R and above U. And T is kept immediately below Q. Now T is kept immediately below Q. Q is here. Now T is kept immediately below Q. W is kept above Q. W is kept above Q but not to S but below S. Saripinda ledu? And R is kept below W. R is kept below W. W and R must be like. Ma R is kept below W and R. Now with the help of this one, R is kept below W if W is here. Then 1, 2, R is kept below W. Saripinda ledu? Now W and R we have done with this information. And R is kept below W. Then next one, any other information we have? R, V and U. R and below V and U, how many there? There must be 2. Clear? V and P are adjacent to each other, isn't it? V and P are adjacent to each other. As V and P are adjacent to each other, in the first case, let us take V is here, Then P is here, U is here. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 were there. Clear? And Q and T must be adjacent to each other. What is the only possibility we have for this Q and T? Q and T must be like. Now Q and T done. V and P done. W and R, V, P, U done. R, V, P, U done. Next one. S is above this W, S must be here. Then this is the final arrangement we have. S is above W. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 8 were there. Now this is from 34 to 36. 33. Now in this question number 33. My aim in 33. Only one. The next one. I'll come back to this one afterwards, okay? Then 38 to 40. Then coming to 38 to 40. Now 38 to 40 is now coming to 38 to 40. First or the second priority. First or the second priority. First priority 38 to 40. Now in this 38 to 40. Now positions of the first and the third years. How many numbers were given here? 6. Now daily we are working out these type of questions, isn't it? Then this is one set of numbers and set of words. And out of which, tell me, is there any difference between the regular type of set of numbers we are doing and this one? Any difference you could able to identify? No difference. Now in general, till this one, whatever the questions we have done, only you used to have 5 numbers. Now this is the first time we are coming across 6 numbers. Clear? My ikkada 6 numbers. Exam lo meeku, now most of the cases 5 will be given, or in some cases 6 will be given. Fine. Then in the positions of the first and the third are interchanged. That means the entire number will be reversed. Then arrange all the numbers in the ascending order. From where? From left to the right. Then which one is third? From the right. Third from the right is nothing but, and third from third highest number. And which number is coming to the first place? Third digit. Now among the third digit we need to find out which is the third highest. And now third highest. Which is the highest? Highest is 8. And this is the second highest. And second highest. Now this is the third highest. And what is your answer? 527. 527, that is choice to 38. Then coming to question number 39. Now in this 39, add 1 to every even digit, but not to even number. Even digit. Subtract 1 from every odd number of each number. Then find the difference between the numbers of the highest and the least numbers. Then tell me what is the difference we have. Now add 1 to every even number. Clear? And even digit. Add 1 to every even digit and subtract 1 from every odd digit. Now every even digit, then the difference between the highest and the lowest. Now which is the highest we have? Now every even digit, even must be -1 and odd must be, and every odd number and subtract 1. And even number 1, odd number it is -1. And odd it is -1, this will be 8. Isn't it? Now this will be 8. And this will be how much? This will be 8. And this will be how much? 6. Isn't it? Even digit. Then here this will be and 8. What is 8 here? 8 is even. Even plus 1, this will be 9. Now which is the highest number you are going to have? Now this number is going to the highest number. Clear? And which is the lowest here? My 864, that means this is 9. And here, and 6 plus 1 will become 7, 4 plus 1 will be 5. 975 is the highest number, isn't it? Then which is the lowest number we have? Lowest number, this is 5. 5 minus 1, 4. Now this is 4 plus 1, 5. Then this will be 6 minus 1, 5. Now which is the lowest? And this 5, 1. That is 4. And even 2 plus 1, 3. And odd 7 minus 1, 6. Now the difference between these two. And 15 minus 6 is how much? 9. Then what is your answer here? And 9. How many 9s we have? And there are 4. And at the same time 9. Now here 6 minus 3 is 3. And here this is 5. 539 choice. And finally 14. All the digits are arranged in descending order. Digits are arranged in the descending order within the number. And arranged in ascending order from left to right. Digits are arranged in the descending order. Arranged from, then find out the difference between the numbers from second from both the ends. Second from both the ends means you need to work out only on these two only. The digits are arranged in the descending order. 864 is as it is. And here this will be 841. Then the difference, what is the question we have? Then find out the difference between this. What is the difference we have? my ascending. Now if all the digits are arranged in descending order within the numbers and then arranged in ascending order, then all these numbers are arranged in ascending order. Then ascending order, then tell me what are the numbers we have. This will be 8 and this is how much? No, all the digits are arranged in descending order. Now this will be 953. Now this will be 864 and this will be 5 and 752. Now here this is 6, this is 8 and this is 8. Now 9, 8, 8 and so on. Then find out the difference between the numbers of second from both the end. Second from both the end means second from the left hand, second from the right hand. Now which will be the second from the left hand? 864. And we have to arrange them in the ascending order. Now if you arrange them in the ascending order, then what is the lowest number here? This one. Then what is the second lowest here? 7. Isn't now the question about second from both the ends? And first, what are we finding here? Second from the left hand. That is the second lowest. Which is the second lowest? 752 is the second lowest. Then what is the second highest? Second from the right means second highest. Now which would be the second highest? 9 is the first highest. Then 864, 873 and 841. And 873 is the second. Clear? 873. Now the difference between these two. What is the difference between these two? 3 minus 2 is 1, 7 minus 5 is 2, 121 choice. Then difference from between these. Clear? Now this is about 40. Next, number series. Now number series in this paper. Now in this number series, question number 30, 76. Now in this 76, question number 76 onwards. Now here, my numbers are decreasing at a very fast rate, hence we must move in the reverse order. Now reverse order 22 has become 136 means how many times it has been multiplied? And it has been multiplied by 2 and 2 has become 13. That means around 6 times. Now from here to here, 456 into 5, that is 2280. Saripendra, this is into 5, into 6, into 4, into 3, into 2, 38 divided by 2, 19 choice. Then 77. 20 to 26 difference is how much? 5. Next 10. Next one 15. And this is 20, 25. And 71 plus 25, 96 choice. Then 78. 7 and 12 difference is 5. Now this is 10. Now this is 15. And this is 39 and 65. Now this is 17. Then 5, 10, 17, 5 can be written as 2 square plus 1, 3 square plus 1, 4 square plus 1, 5 square plus 1, and 6 square plus 1, that is 7. And how much is the number here? 102. Mondo 102 choice 4. Then 79. 79 again. Now here, multiplication. Now combination into 2 plus 1, into 2 plus 2, into 2 plus 3, into 2 plus 4, into 2 plus 5. And so 1, 3, 45. 345 choice 2. And finally 18, 16 and 21, 5. Here it is 6. Here it is 7. Here it is 8. Next one is 9. 42 plus 9, 51 choice. Then question number 8. Now this is about clerk prelim paper number 29. Then